rekey the second multi right here, the multi-slot, and just push it out just like that. Drop the old pins, we don't need those anymore. Get the key, put it to the side. We're gonna take this 1mm pin out because we're gonna rekey it with the 4 pins. Enter the new key, and then you're gonna put the new pins inside the cylinder, which is gonna be 300, and then the 4, so it's 225, 225, 225, 225, and the last one is 2, which is 195. So 195, where you at? There you go, and it should be good. Let's just enter this really quick and turn it. Perfect.